We are a highly specialized company. We don't make widgets here. We make very specific devices. Anything that you pick up has a very particular and specific electromagnetic nuance about it. If physics dictates it's possible, we know that we're going to get there. Our job is to find the path that gets there, and we never quit. We know that we are going to get there because we're guided again by the physics, our experience, and then a team of really creative people that knows how to get things done. And that's why people come to us, and that's why we never fail.
So we are a antenna design and manufacturing company. So we start with engineering, we do the full life of the product. So we start with engineering, we go through the entire design and development side of it. We have a new product introduction where we kind of put everything together, mesh everything together, and start putting together some of the critical to quality elements of the product.
Customers come to us with requirements that are both mechanical, they have physical constraints, and electrical specifications. Not always do they line up. For instance, they might specify an electrical requirement that can't be met in those mechanical constraints, and vice versa. So our job is to say, okay, here is what you want electrically. This is what you will require as a mechanical solution. But if you are driven by the mechanical solution, then here's what you can achieve electrically with it.
We're going to take into account the real world environment for you, and we'll show you what this is going to operate like in the real world environment, not just based on a set of specs you might have provided us that might not have taken into account the full picture. And so we really take a lot of pride in the fact that what we deliver is real. It's meant to work in a real world environment with the real physics around it.
People have tried to emulate what we do, but they haven't been very successful at it. And we treat our customers like our partners. We go above and beyond to meet their requirements. At the same time, it's a sense of satisfaction for us that we created a technology that nobody could do. And we like a good challenge.
What people don't really know about microant is over here we do our best to make sure whatever we design, build, and test for the customer will be better than anything that is available in the market.
Here at Microant, we have got a lot of knowledge and experience with certifying antennas to governing agencies. And so we will partner with our customers and help them through that process. We will not just supply them with data and leave them on their own to go through that certification process. We will go through that with them and use our experience working with those governing agencies to help them become certified with their product.
Back when we were first starting the company, we would work with other vendors to try to do some of the machining, some of the testing, some of the integration of the subcomponents. We put all that aside. We said we have to have quality control, and we brought all that in. That's what sets us apart from everybody.
You know, Microant is not interested in charging you the top dollar for whatever we, manufacture for you, whatever we create to solve your antenna issues. We're interested in a partnership with you.
Our role here and kind of the way we feel about it is like we're almost a liaison for the customer, that, we're the voice of the customer here when they're not here. We act on their behalf and their best interest, making sure that they get what they expect every time.
I think it's really important for us to have a lot of fun while we work with our customers. That's the other reason we want to have such a great relationship. It's like, we're working on challenging things. We know they're challenging, but that doesn't mean we can't have a lot of fun designing and iterating and improving the world.